What is the name?
Thank
It's
you.
Get Credit Healthy.
And why did you create that name? How did you come up with that name?
Well, see, we differentiate ourselves because we're not a credit repair or we don't fix credit. That is the way that people have always assumed that credit restoration occurred. When you don't understand credit, our organization is based off of education to make sure that people understand what credit is all about. Without understanding, we fall into the same routine. So do we do restoration? Absolutely. But we like to say get credit healthy because we realize whether you're at 680, 540, everyone has that opportunity to increase their credit score if you're working under the FICO scoring model. So we really help individuals understand what scoring and credit is all about. And from there, we do the restoration. We help you rebuild. People are not giving credit right now. No one is giving credit right now. We have affiliates that actually provide credit for our clients. So we're helping rebuild your credit. We're getting people really on the right track to credit
How can
health.
they reach you?
You could reach us at, you could visit our website at www.getcredithealthy.com or by calling us at 877-850-3444, 877-850-3444, or better yet, I have my team right in the corner over there, ready to talk to everyone. And at any point, please feel free to fill out some information about you. Just leave us your name and your number, and we will have FICO and a FCRA analyst call you.
Thank you so much.